Guys, so today I'm super excited because I'm going to be sharing with you something that I'm very excited about, my revenue as a new creator on YouTube. Technically not a new creator, but as a new channel owner on YouTube. Just in case you're a new creator or you want to open your own YouTube channel and you're wondering how much can you possibly make as a new creator on YouTube. So I'm going to be sharing my monthly revenue as well as how I was able to get monetized in less than 2 months, and also how I've been able to grow from 0 subscribers to 12,000 subscribers in less than 5 months. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, please, let's dive in. So before we go over to the analytics, let me quickly show you guys when I created this channel so that you'll be able to understand that this channel is just barely 4 months old. So I created this channel on the 18th of October 2022, and that's just a few days after my birthday. That's when I created this channel, and then I uploaded my first video. It was a live session that I held for a masterclass that I did. Actually, that's why I created this channel, and that was 4 months ago. As you can see, 4 months ago, this was my first video ever on this channel. So I'm still going to do a detailed breakdown of this channel at the end of the year so that I will give you the facts and figures for this channel and everything in between. But for today, I'm going to be sharing with you 1 month revenue so that you can understand how much you can possibly earn every month as a new YouTuber, and that will help encourage you to get your journey started. So the revenue I'll be sharing with you is for 28 days, which started on the 15th of February to the 14th of March 2023. So for views within 28 days, I've been able to get 203.3 thousand views. And if you look at the graph here, you can see on the 15th of February, I got 9,192 views, and then it dipped to 7,969 views per day, and then got to 8,000, and then it dipped down all the way down to 4,479, and then it went up again to 8,248, and then we are currently sitting on 6,243 views per day. And then for watch time, I've gotten a total number of 9,700 watch hours. That is the total number of watch hours I've gotten within 28 days, and it's incredible to see, because it took me almost 50 days to get 4,000 watch hours, which is one of the requirements that YouTube requires before you can get monetized on the platform. And you see here in 28 days, I'm getting 9,700 watch hours. That is why I keep encouraging anyone that wants to start a YouTube channel, just go ahead and start it. Like, starting a YouTube channel is very difficult. It's very, very, very tasking at the initial stage, but once you start growing, things will keep getting easier and easier and easier and easier, and your numbers will keep increasing and keep growing. The things that you struggled for will be less a problem for you. So just get started, and we'll move over to subscribers. And for subscribers, I've gotten a total number of 6,200 subscribers within 28 days. And this reminds me when I started this channel and I was getting less than 10 subscribers, and I was like, wow, I'm growing. People are actually finding this channel useful, and people are actually watching my videos. And it's incredible how I was calculating, okay, if I'm able to get consistent 10 subscribers per day, at least every month I'll have 300 subscribers. But alas, here, in less than 1 month, I've been able to get 6,200 subscribers, and that's all thanks to you guys. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe so that you can add to the number and also benefit from the channel, and I will definitely appreciate you always. So you can see on a daily basis, I was getting, starting from the 15th of February, I was getting 331 subscribers per day. That's amazing. And then it jumped up to 385 subscribers, and then it dipped all the way down to 100 subscribers, 103 subscribers, and then it went up to 241 subscribers per day, and then it came down again to 167 subscribers per day, and currently sitting on 247 subscribers per day. And that is what YouTube is all about. YouTube has this amazing exponential growth effect that causes a snowball effect. Once people discover 1 or 2 of your videos, they then go over to other videos and start watching them and all that, and that is how you keep growing and keep growing, which is why you have to concentrate on making amazing content. Now for me, I had to suspend some of my businesses, some of the things that I do outside of YouTube, just to focus and create content and make sure that the channel succeed, even when it wasn't convenient for me, even when I was emotionally down, health-wise, everything. I kept on churning out content regardless, and alas, we are here today. So I would like to encourage you to not ever give up. Don't give up on YouTube. If you consistently do YouTube for 2 years, every day you show up, you keep showing up every day for 2 years, I guarantee you, as long as you have the right strategies and blueprints in place. I'm talking about right strategies and blueprints. I'm actually working on a course that will help you succeed on YouTube super fast. In this course, I'm going to share everything that you need to know about growing a YouTube channel super fast, and also how you can grow a YouTube channel even without showing your face. I'm going to be sharing everything in case you are camera shy, you don't want to sit in front of the camera like this, or even stand. In the course, I'm going to break down different types of YouTube channels and how you're going to run each and every one of them to have amazing success on YouTube, and also how you can easily get monetized on YouTube, the tips, the tricks, and everything in between. That course is one course that you can't find any information inside of it anywhere in the world. I guarantee you that. Now, if you're interested in starting your own YouTube channel and you don't want to waste time, you don't want to spend months or even years before you get monetized and start making money on YouTube, if you want to learn my strategies and have my blueprint, then don't miss that course. All you have to do is to pre-register with the link below in the description so that you can get over 50% discount once I launch the course. You'll be the first to get it, and you'll get it at a huge discount rate. And now for the big reveal drum roll. So for 28 days, the channel has gained $709.85. I'm super excited for this. I know it might seem small, but for a new channel, come on, a lot of people don't even get monetized in 1 year. Like, if you listen to most YouTubers, they'll tell you that they got monetized after 1 year, after 6 months, and they don't really make any reasonable amount of money in the first few months. But look at me, I'm making over $700 every month in less than 5 months of starting the channel. So this practically means that I know something that a lot of people don't, which is why you have to make sure you don't miss that my course. Go ahead and pre-register right now. Now, I want to convert this to Naira to shock you. So the current exchange rate is 740 Naira. So if I'm going to multiply it with 709.85, 525,289 Naira, that is how much my channel has generated within 28 days. That is my monthly revenue so far. And guess what? It will keep getting better. It will keep growing. It will grow to 1 million, 5 million, 10 million per month. And a quick look at my daily income, you can see that on February 15th, I was able to make $21.78. And then it kind of dipped here to $17.76 per day. And then it jumped over to $22.10 per day, and then it dipped to $7.69, which is still cool. Come on, which is still cool. At least you can buy me a cup of coffee. And then it jumped over to $72.27 per day, and then it came down to $35.33, and currently it's sitting on $33.59. This is how much I'm making currently on a daily basis on this channel. This is what is achievable on YouTube, and this is why I keep encouraging people, just get on YouTube. YouTube will fix a lot of things for you. All you have to do is to stay consistent, follow the strategy, follow the blueprint, and you will definitely enjoy the process at the end of the day, because YouTube is just one of the few businesses that you can start without any capital. You can just use your phone right here, use your phone, do your videos, teach people what you know, and you start making a whole lot of money. 525,000 Naira is a lot of money in Nigeria. A lot of people that go for 9 to 5, that have a 9 to 5 job, they go to work in the morning and come back in the evening, and they repeat the same process for 5 days, some cases 6 days, that's Monday to Saturday, and at the end of the day, they get paid 50,000 Naira, 100,000 Naira maximum. So this is amazing. So why don't you just zero in on YouTube and focus on YouTube and create content consistently? If you follow my strategies, you will definitely win super fast. You will not have to waste time or play around on YouTube. You just go straight to the point as a professional, because I've been on YouTube for a very long time, for over 10 years. I have a lot of faceless YouTube channel that I've been running, and also a lot of people that I manage their YouTube channel. Just in case you're interested, you want me to manage your YouTube channel as well, please let me know in the comment section, or you can write me on my Instagram or Twitter, and I'll be able to look at your channel and give you the best solutions and suggestions for your channel to help you grow. And if you want me to manage it with my team, we can also fix that. And again, this revenue is outside of every other revenue that I am getting from this channel, because currently my one-on-one training, my 1-year mentorship program is currently sitting on $1,000 per person, and I have a lot of students doing the one-on-one thing and doing the 1-year mentorship program, where I teach over 5 digital skills that can help you make money online. Digital skills that are highly sought after. Digital skills that will guarantee you success in the digital space. So this is away from all that. Even affiliate sponsorship and brand deals is not included, because for now, I've not started accepting any brand deals and sponsorship. A lot of people have been contacting me, but I just want to consistently, genuinely, for this first few months of my channel, share everything that I know, all the platforms that I use, without being biased or without having, because someone paid me, I now have to, show it up to you guys. No, I'm taking my time to actually select the brands that I want to work with, because I don't just want to work with any brands that will not add any value to you. So any brand that I'm going to be working with should be brand that will add value to you. And when I say value, I mean in maybe you gain skill or you make money, because the main primary objective of this channel is to help you make money from the comfort of your home, because that is exactly what I'm doing right now. And I want to let you guys know that it's possible for you to make a lot of money for yourself and be comfortable in the comfort of your home while making money. Like, you can travel anywhere in the world and still be making money, and your income will not be affected. So if you are like me, that don't want to answer to nobody in terms of boss, say yes sir, no sir, yes ma, no ma, then you need to learn digital skills, because this is something that will guarantee you success in the digital world. And in today's world, where AIs are already taking a lot of jobs, you need strong digital skills that AI cannot do. You need those digital skills that will put you way ahead of a lot of people, way ahead of others. It doesn't matter if you're a graduate or if you're not a graduate. You don't need any degree whatsoever to succeed online, as long as you have a very strong digital skill that is highly sought after. I'm talking about growing your own YouTube channel. I've made a video in the past where I shared how I was able to get monetized in less than 59 days. So please go right here to learn that. If you have your own YouTube channel, or if you intend to create your YouTube channel, while you wait for my course, go right here to learn how you can start implementing those things that I had to do to get my channel monetized. But remember, you have to make sacrifices if you're going to succeed on YouTube. You have to sacrifice a lot of things. You have to sacrifice your time. You have to zero in on YouTube. You have to zoom in really close on YouTube and be obsessed about it before you can think of succeeding on YouTube. Now, if this is the mindset that you have, please go ahead and watch this video, and I'll see you later. I am 7 Figure Boss, and thanks for watching.